So Ollama Web UI and also Ollama just released support for multimodal models, which allow you to input both an image and text and ask questions about the image. And in this short video, I'm just going to demonstrate how to very easily try this out using cocalc.com. So here's what we're going to do. Click on Servers and create a new compute server. Ollama Multimodal. We need a GPU so that it will be fast. And now let's select the Ollama with Web UI image. And everything else we can just leave it as it is with the defaults. I think I will add a custom domain name so it looks nice. So Ollama Multimodal. That way we'll have a nice URL. Okay, let's start our new compute server. Okay, so it's starting up. This is a T4 GPU, which should be plenty for running the Llama 7 billion parameter model. Once this starts up, we'll have a little URL. We can click on it, and then we'll have a web interface to Ollama, and we can use that to test out various models, download new models, etc. By the way, this costs 15 cents per hour, so it's, I think, extremely affordable. All right, so it's ready. Little puzzle that it isn't showing my custom domain name. What is going on with that? Did I not? Maybe I didn't save it. Okay, I need to save it. Ollama Modal. I have to explicitly click Enable Custom Domain. There we are. Okay, here we are. So now I'm going to click on this. Let me move my browser down a little so you can see my address bar. I'm going to click on this, and what it does is it puts a special auth token in. If you don't have the auth token and you try to visit this site that it hosts, you'll get a message where you have to type in that in order to authenticate. And let me illustrate that actually, because it's pretty cool. So in incognito mode, I'll try to visit this site without the auth token. And notice authentication is required. And then at that point, so if you wanted to share this with one of your friends, you can easily do so. You just have to give them either the full URL with the auth token or tell them what the auth token is. Okay, so let me close that. And now let's download this Lava model. Oops. Settings, models, Lava. And this model, by the way, if I click here, we can find it, learn about it. To see Lava, it's a large language and vision assistant. Okay, so it's now downloading and decompressing, etc. This will take a little while. If you're like using Ollama from the command line, that's also available. All you have to do is go back over here, click New, make a Linux terminal, and then set the terminal to run on your compute server that's running Ollama. And you'll immediately get a terminal inside of the container that's running Ollama. So you can do Ollama list, see what models are already there. You can type top and see the process list. Right now it's probably doing checksums or whatever on the Ollama model that we're downloading. You can do NVIDIA SMI to confirm that you have a GPU. Okay, we now have our model, the Lava model. And so now let's try it out. So select Lava, and now we need an image, which we're going to copy and paste here. I have a nice little, or not copy and paste, you actually have to have an actual image that you upload. I don't think copy and paste is implemented yet in Ollama Web UI. But I have a picture of my puppy right here. And I'm gonna ask the question, what is in this picture? And here it goes. So it's starting up and doing inference. And again, it's fun to be able to check in the terminal just to see what's going on. So if we do NVIDIA SMI, you can see that Ollama is running on the GPU. And if we type top, we can see what CPU usage is involved as well. Oh, and there it is. Let me move myself out of the way. This image features a dog in a river swimming through the water while looking back at something. There is another smaller dog visible further away. Okay, that's not true. Possibly watching the main dog. The scene appears to be taking place during daytime hours. So that's mostly true. I don't know about the other dog off in the distance, but that's pretty cool. We can also try me. So let's see what it says is in this picture. Oops. And now it's doing inference on the GPU. A group of people gathered in the water. It's like somehow it's combined the two questions. Well, I don't know. One thing I've wondered about is if it can tell me how to LaTeX some math that I write on a piece of paper. So I'm going to try that. Or rather, I'll write it on a whiteboard and then see if it can turn it into LaTeX. So in CoCalc, I can make a whiteboard. And then I'm going to use a little pen. I'm going to write alpha cubed plus beta squared. Then I'll get a little screenshot of this. And then I will upload it. And just in case you should really only do one thing at a time, let's make a new chat. Okay, and let's select the lava model. And now upload our image. Let's see, can you show me how to typeset this formula using LaTeX? So let's see what it does, okay? Has some examples of using LaTeX, but it doesn't seem to necessarily know at all what I actually wrote here, unfortunately. So maybe these multimodal models have a ways to go, but hey, at least you can try it out now and see what works and doesn't work. Please let me know what you do in the comments below. Thank you.